Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to Sileo in another episode. By the title, you already know that I went to Sophon market by night. It all happened yesterday, so here a summary of that day. First thing first, at the first light of the day, I was hesitating about where I should do my workout. I mean, at the park down there or at the beach. And now y'all know where I did it. And that's where I had my breakfast prior to that moment. And right after lunchtime, I went to SF Cinema at Terminal 21 to see the end of Oak Street. So still from the Bali Pier, that's the downtown beach, and that's the bakery. That's the Sophon market where I will be going to at the end. But first, let's go back to Terminal 21. I was in a hurry because I booked my ticket before even being in that mall. But I was right on time. The movie was good. It looked just like the TV show La Brea. And that's where I took the footage for my yesterday short. I ended up not eating anything at that mall because I already planned to go at the Sophon market. And the night was approaching, so as y'all can see, I arrived during daytime, but the night caught up on me. Here what that place looked like by night. So that was it. I hope that y'all appreciate this content just like I did making it. And I had some chicken gyoza and mixo ice cream. Thank you for watching. Shout out to all of my subscribers for your likes, your comments, and your shares. Have a good one. Peace. I'm out.